Guys, welcome back to another Kuta software tutorial. Today I'm going to show you direct variation, which is basically when y varies directly as x. So when y changes, x changes. So here it says find the constant of variation, our first part. So there's a form, it's called y equals kx. Y and x are variables and k is a constant of variation. Looking back at the first one, y equals 14x. We notice that k in our equation is equal to 14. Let me put this in red. So we know that k equals 14. So that k is a constant of variation. So that means 14 is our constant of variation. That's our answer in number 1. Number 2, same thing. This parts are easy. We just have to find the constant of variation. Here y equals kx, so k equals 2, so 2 is a solution. Number 3, y equals 6x, same thing, constant of variation, kx, 6. Here, same thing, y equals kx, y equals 15x, so k is 15. Here, 8 by 13x, it's the same thing. We just, k is literally 8 13ths. Constant of variation. 3x, y equals 3x, so 3 here is our constant of variation. Number 7, y equals 13x, y equals kx, so k is 13, so 13. Y equals 11x, so that constant of variation is 11. You guys try these, you should be pretty simple. What is a constant variation in this one? Number 9. Here, it's 4. And here, it's 9. And we're done with the first part. Now it gets a bit harder and a bit more focus. A bit more math. So here, we're asked to solve each problem involving direct variation. So if y varies directly as x, so we're asked to find y when x equals 3. So y equals 5 halves, or 2.5 if you like decimals, not fractions. So y equals 2.5 when x equals 15. Find y when x equals 3. You can set up a proportion. I'll show you how. So it's the old x over old y over the variable we need, and then the new x or y. So I'll show you. So it's 15 over, so 2.5 equals, we need to find y when x equals 3. So 3 over y. So 15 over 2.5 is 6. So 6 equals 3 over y. Giving us that y equals 1/2. So when y equals 2.5 and x equals 15, y equals 1/2 when x equals 3. So now number 12. If y varies directly as x, y equals 6 when x equals 5, find y when x equals 10. This one is actually pretty simple. What you can do is a shorter method to get from 5 to 10. We multiply by 2, okay? That means we multiply 2 with 6. That's our new y. So y equals 12. 12 is our answer in number 12. If y varies directly, so y equals 14 when x equals 3. Find y when x equals 6. Same thing here, we can multiply by 2 to get from 3 to 6. And you can multiply by 2 from 14 to get y equals 28. 28 is our answer, number 13. Number 14, we are asked to find y when x equals 9. So when y equals 3, x equals 18. Find y when x equals 9. Here, we divide by 2 or multiply by 1/2. So here, to get from 18 to 9, we multiply by 0.5 or 1/2 here. So here we multiply 3 with 1/2, giving us 3/2, which is equal to 1.5. 1.5 is our answer in number 14. So I'm just going to write one second. I'm just going to write y equals 1.5. So here, if y varies directly as x, y equals 15 when x equals 9. Find y when x equals 3. What do you do to get from 9 to 3? What you do is you either divide by 3 or you can multiply by 1/3. Let's divide by 3 because that's easier. Let's set a proportion. So 9/15 equals 3/y. So y equals 1/3 of 15 or 5. Just gonna put a little parentheses around this. 5 is our answer in number 15. Number 16, y equals 3 when x equals 5. Find y when x equals 15. So to get from 5 to 15, we multiply by 3. And now, to get our new y, we multiply by 3 here as well, which means y equals 9. And it should make sense. Our x is getting bigger, so our y should be getting bigger. Same here, y equals 15 when x equals 3. Find y when x equals 4. Here, let's set up a proportion. Because here, to get from 3 to 4, it's going to be pretty decimal. So here, let's set up. So 3/15 equals, we're finding y when x equals 4, so 4/y. 3/15 is the same as 1/5, or 0.20 equals 4/y. So now we're dividing both sides by 4, which gives us, so I'm just going to do it here, over 4, 0.05. So y equals 0.05. If you want to write it as a fraction as well, same answer, you can still do that. Oops. Or it's a 3/15, yeah. Little mistake. So 3/15, yep. Is 4 by y. Alright. Here, let's test it. 4/3 is 1.333333. So approximately 3.33 times y. So 15.0.333. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm getting a little just up. So 4/3. Oh, 1.33. 15 times 1.33333. So it should be approximately y equals 19.995. If you want to round it, that's okay. Here, this one's tricky. See, what I did is I divided 4 by 3 to get 1.333333, and I multiplied that with the 15 to get 19.9995. Whew. Alright, next one, number 18. X equals 4 when y equals 2. So we gotta find y when x equals 20. Here it's pretty simple. 4, to get to 20, you multiply by 5. 4 times 5 is 20, so 5 times 2 is 10. You can also do the proportion way. It still works. Number 19, if y varies directly as x, y equals 3 when x equals 7. Find y when x equals 14. So 7 times 2 is 14. So y equals 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's try the proportion way, just by checking. So 7 over 3 equals 14 over y. What do you get? Yes, you do indeed get 6. Number 20, which is our last problem in this worksheet. Thanks. If you enjoy my videos, math videos, Python, anything, please like this video and share this video to someone who think will be helpful. Alright, so number 20, y equals 16 when x equals 2. We gotta find y when x equals 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So 16, y equals 16 times 2, which equals, times 2 equals 32. 32 is our solution in number 20, which is the last problem in this worksheet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace out.